The other day I found a virtuous saying, but due to an error in Microsoft, I can neither save it nor copy it. Back to the good old days before computers. Nevertheless, let's call today's guest the Joker. I have a bad feeling about this. So tell us what's troubling Microsoft lately.
Lots of things, but you might be talking about the intermittent failure in the copy file API.
You cannot save them.
Yeah, have they not patched that yet?
Yes, not only this, but also 75 other flaws and 38 RCE bugs.
Other than Microsoft, what's the other update?
If you're downloading pirated Windows 10 ISO, you might get free undetected cryptocurrency malware. In another campaign, the users visiting pirated movie sites were targeted with adware called Shampoo.
Creative name. Always remember, as they say, if you're not buying something for free, it means you're the product. Anything else?
Researchers found that the heatmap feature in the fitness tracking app Strava can reveal 100 million users' home addresses.
I know where you live.
I think it's time to take a digital detox.
Right. David, why don't you use this guide?
The Invincible Guide to a Different Realm.
Oh no!